Chai is not what you get at the grocery store in a cardboard box. It is an experience your mother, grandma, dad, or anyone really created in the comfort of your home and evoking all your senses. It is the feeling of a warm hug on a hectic day, or the joy you see in all your family and friends' faces sitting around the kitchen island or living room during Diwali or special family gatherings. And if you can recreate the same experience and feelings even when living alone, this is the gift of chai. So for those who want to learn, here's how to make a simple and classic cup of chai. We are going to add 2 cups of water into a pot along with a piece of ginger. The ginger is optional, but I prefer it this way. Some like their ginger grated, others like it crushed. I, however, like to use a fork to squeeze out all of its ginger goodness. If you are making masala chai, this is where you would add the cardamom pods. But for now, we will stick to a comforting cup of hot or garam chai. We will now turn the stovetop to a high setting to let the water come to a boil. Once this has happened, we will now add 2 orange pekoe tea bags for a bold and delicious flavor. Once this has come to a gentle boil, we will add 2 cups of milk. Note that this will severely reduce in quantity when it starts to rapidly boil, thus making a comforting cup of chai and even a little extra for a +1. We will let our chai come to a rapid boil on a high setting and watch it carefully as the pressure slowly builds up. Once it reaches the top of the pot, stir with a spatula. Reduce to a medium-high heat and now add your choice of sweetener. And let this come to a boil once again 2 more times. The second time is to break down the molecules. And the third time is to fill your kitchen with the aroma of GHAR Ki Chai or homemade chai. I like to serve my homemade chai in these cute little chai cups. They're not the original cutting chai cups, however, this will do for now. If you want more relaxing videos like these, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel on YouTube. I will read through all your comments and suggestions as well. With love, gratitude, and a whole lot of coziness, Chikka Tikka Diaries.